Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today my mom is gonna be doing my makeup because I have a Halloween.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Halloween trick or treat. And now I'm doing tea.
First thing first.
That was good. Oh my god, my mom doesn't have my jealousy. See, I got these shorts. So I have this, and then I have my bottom, as you see. Do you see me? I'm gonna drink tea. Some hair's like that. It's very like this. I just got new earrings. I got a new bracelet. This is not new, but I got you. Collect. Okay. As you see, as you play this, my skin is like this part is like very wide, and it's to do a Halloween thing, Halloween party or something. A peacock with real feathers, and down here it looks like there's like a rainbow, and this is like a green. There's like peacock blue. So I'm gonna show you the kit that my mom's friend gave her.
Close your eyes now.
Is it what it looks like? It's like a rainbow. There's red. He's coloring my eyes.
It's like painting.
Yeah, it's like painting. Like you're putting like paint up the crayons on my eyes. So this, she sprayed that black stripe. Okay, it smells like corn.
Smells like what?
Okay, it's time to open this. Let's see my makeup. Now my next one. I feel good.
Bag? Face here? And you wave your hand.
I look like, so this is my makeup, and this is my dress. And this is the back. It's way more longer.
Give them a big round of applause.
Smile.
peacock-inspired attire personally chosen by her. It's made up of all natural materials such as real peacock feathers. Today, Liwei is going to receive the Well-Like Student Award, the Gold Loyalty Award, Bronze Navigator for English and Math, and the Level Up Certificate for English and Math Gathering. Costume is inspired by the goddess of trees. The materials used are from the abandoned village. Recycled curtains, flower made up of youth, x-rays, and the butterflies are detailed with all details. Today, Bella received the Excellence in Drawing Award.
We'll be right back.